Okay, so it is 1:37 a.m. I know that I've been a little late, but you know, we're gonna appreciate this moment. This is a moment that we're sharing with one another. We're gonna appreciate it, okay? Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, we're gonna interact with one another. We're gonna help me grow. We're gonna help you grow. This is just outfits that are inspired by Valentine's Day, the whole Valentine's Day culture and the theme. So this is a challenge, making outfits with the color red, black, pink, and white. I think a total of 6. I've been having creative drought. I'm focusing more on acting and really focusing more on school, and I was just like, something's off, you know. I've been losing my touch, you know, so we gotta regain it. I've been in a drought and God just made it rain. So you're probably like, Michael, well, I know it's 1:30 and your class starts at 12:20, so I know you're comfortable, but come on, sis, be a little bit more presentable. Oh, you didn't have to tell me twice. Don't tell me twice. Don't tell me twice, okay? You don't have to tell me twice. Yes, the hair. You see it? The inner change is meeting the outer change, okay? Red pants, red dicky, white stitch outline pants. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I have something here, you know? For as long as I wanted to when I was younger, for as long as I could, I hid it with the big baggy clothes and big shirts and always wearing a jacket. But look, they're here. I gotta be confident, fill them up with confidence. So that's what we're doing. I dropped 40 at Disney World for this bag. This has personality. This has flavor. This outfit is giving me, it's I won't say it's basic, but it's kind of simple. Shirt, pants, the big hair, Disney earrings. So this is just, oh, she's a Star Wars stan. Hello, Jonathan. Yes, make sure that you have my reports ready, because when I get down to the office, I don't have time to play. Okay, I need my stuff in order so I can get my stuff again on my flight, because I have to go. Get this bag. Hey guys. Kind of like an 80s businesswoman inspired look. When I wear these fits in public though, don't be like, oh my God, did you wear that before? No, I didn't. This stayed in my room, so therefore I'm able to wear it outside. Back to the thing. And this is like 6th grade. It had said love, but now all the other charms just fell off and it just has E. So we're just gonna keep it for sentimental value. Braids just remind me of directors. I don't know why, but it's just, you know, manifestation.
This is for the girls who aren't afraid to just get some looks, okay? To get some stares.
Hi. But, yeah, this one is very out there, very adventurous. This is more me, because I'm just out there as a person. Classic. I love New York hat. This is just giving me a ghetto fabulous, if you will. I was like, I need a necklace or something, just because of the way I styled the shirt. This is actually jeans. I cut up a jean shirt. If you have seen this in any of the Disney movies and Pixar movies, you're a real one. And this is one of my favorite shirts. I thrifted it. It's like an extra large. But you see the detailing? Look at the material. You could be the judge of it. It's really big, so when I tucked it in, I tucked it all in and I pulled this out so it could be a slant. The Michaels, gotta help the Michaels. This is a jacket from Forever 21 from like middle school, so you know, hold on to your belongings. Tommy Hilfiger jean purse, thrifted, I think like $5. I got my raspberry beret. Nah, this is red, but is my Christine Phantom of the Opera shirt. I really like this. I know it's different. Hello. So I've never done this before, but this is an entire Forever 21 fit, okay? These pants hugging in the front. Since it's silver down the side. Plaid corset. This Till Death Do Us Part. These, we got the Rhythm Nation hat. But it is 3:34 in the morning. And this is the final fit. Let's dissect the fit. We got the Major glasses, probably like $5 at the gas station. Be like, take that. Instead of buying 3 for $12.99 at your Forever 21s, go on Amazon and get you like a 12 pack for $5.99. And on that note, we going to end the video. Yeah, I'm happy I did it. This is the second video I filmed in my room. Time management skills wasn't the best on this one, or just in general today, but you know, it's a learning process. I would rather fail than to not do anything. So yeah, I did the video. I'm being my most authentic self. I'm happy. I'm a lot happier right now just because of the video, because I've been really trash with my looks or just in my fashion mindset. And I'm just like, you know what, just take time, take care of yourself. This Valentine's Day, take care of yourself and do what you need to do so that you can love yourself. Bye guys, see you later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.